Downloaded an ICE archive and your usual zip tool refuses to touch it? This is a compressed archive format used in specific gaming and software distribution contexts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you extracting these ICE files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest ICE cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. An ICE file is a compressed archive created using the ICE utility, a file compression program popular during the MS-DOS era. Similar to zip or ARJ files, it bundles one or more files into a single, smaller package for easier storage and transfer. Users encounter these legacy files and seek to extract their original contents. The ICE format uses a proprietary binary structure and a specific compression algorithm, likely a variant of Lempel-Ziv, to reduce file size. It was designed for efficiency on the limited computing resources of its time, prioritizing compression ratio and speed over the cross-platform compatibility of modern formats like zip. We suggest testing the ICE file first with the utility ICE from Haruhiko Okamura. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can detect but not fully interpret many compressed formats, so extraction tools are required. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the ICE file and hit Open with. Launch it using ICE if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. If the ICE file won't budge, stay calm. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, extracting Atari ST archives. For classic Atari ST ICE archives, use ICE Decoder or the StoneX Atari ST Emulators archive utilities. These specialized tools recognize the ICE signature and decompress the contents to extract original program files and resources for emulation or analysis. Next, extracting PSO archives. For Phantasy Star, online ICE files use specialized PSO modding tools such as PSO2 ICE Tool or PSO File Manager. These utilities understand the game-specific ICE structure and extract individual asset files including textures, models, and game data. Finally, identifying archive origin. Use a hex editor like HXD to inspect the ICE file header and identify which application created the archive. The signature bytes and structural patterns indicate whether the file originated from Atari ST software PSO games or other ICE-using platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.